Hi everyone, it's Arwen from Thermomix. I'm in a super rush today. I'm just about to go out to the gym and I'm just quickly getting some dinner ready for my family for when they come home. So lucky I'm making the salmon burgers. I'm not even going to use guided cooking. I've read the recipe for a change. And I've just got in here, I'm recycling a bowl. I just made some butter before, so this bowl's not completely clean. It's just got some remnants of saffron butter, which is amazing. And in here I'm putting a couple of, what did I have? Some garlic, that's not in the recipe. And I've also got some lemon zest, 6 spring onions, some fresh dill from the garden. Hi Christine, I think you wouldn't have made this one because it's got salmon in it. But Christine made the other option for this day on the challenge, the beetroot burgers. And I think they were really nice, weren't they, Christine? So I've just got all of that in there and I'll give it a bit of a blitz and take it up to speed number 6 or 7, that's fine. And you can hear that it's already done, so I'll just give you a little look at that. It smells amazing, let me just say. So there we go. There's even a bit of butter stuck on the base of the bowl if you happen to notice that. I think it's on my side. So I'm just going to scrape that down. Those onions must be strong because I'm about to cry now. That's terrible, isn't it? Now in here, I think that my family is going to love this recipe. Hi Alita, that's my sister. So it's got frozen peas and they came a bit fast out of the bag when I was measuring them. So I've got a bit extra and I've also got some salmon there as well. I've never had spring onions that make me cry. This is terrible. And we pop that in. We want to get a little bit of salt and pepper. Bit of pepper there. I know why I'm crying. I'm crying because I'm going to miss you soon. I'm going away next week to the Thermomix trip in Vietnam. So here's a bit of salt with some seaweed. So that's going to be really awesome. And Christine says, oh, she loves my hair. Yes, I had my hair done today. So, you know, it probably won't look as good as this again. So I may as well make a video as well. Now I've just lost which speed I need to do this on, which I would have guessed is 10 seconds speed 8, so that was right. Okay, so we'll pop the lid on, 10 seconds speed 8. You can set the timer, reset it by pressing the home button, and there we go. Give it a bit of a chop. Perfect. So that's just chopped everything up and now it's just a matter of shaping that mixture into patties. Okay, so it doesn't look pretty, but it'll shape it into patties and just cook it in the pan. And then you can serve that. The recipe has to serve it with some zucchini fries that are coated in, I think, breadcrumbs or something. So that looks really nice as well. So I think this certainly will tick all the boxes for quick and easy meals, which is the collection it is from on cookidoo. So happy Thermomixing. I will see you soon. Not sure if I'll get to do another live video before I go away, but I hope you enjoy cooking with your Thermomix. I'll see you later. I have to come around to press the finish button. Here we go. Bye. Thanks for watching.